All right, y'all. This is me stir frying the veggies, the onions, the peppers. Trying to get everything right, y'all. Country Soul Food and BBQ. We're getting it right. Now you see me adding the crab meat. That's original crab. Now there goes the crawfish. Yep. Getting that pot seasoned right, y'all. Okay, now this is the mixture of everything, along with the rice. Added white rice to the mixture. And this is what the seafood Boudin balls is mixed with on the inside. Just getting it right, y'all. Yep. Added my
I tell you where they at.
seasonings.
I tell you where they at.
No, yeah, we looked at both sides.
Y'all went in there.
There go my cheeses. My seasonings were seafood seasoning, garlic pepper, black pepper, a little bit of cumin, a little tad of sugar. Getting it right. Some Old Bay boiling mix, seafood boiling mix. Just a tad of that. Okay, here's the hot Cheetos that's crumbled up. Getting it right, getting it tight, y'all. There go the Boudin balls. My daughters are rolling them up.
Yeah.
Battering the filling.
Yeah, this gotta be done. He's not wrapped.
Getting it right over here, y'all. Getting it right over here. They dipping it in the egg wash, dipping it in the flour, then the egg wash, and then the hot Cheeto Boudin ball. This is my daughter opening up. This is what the end product look like, y'all. This is what the end product look like. These are our hot Cheeto seafood Boudin balls.
Okay, I want you guys to get
Yep,
You want to get
yep.
a video of me dipping it?
Yes.
And also at the beginning, when we mix our, when we stir frying our veggies, we do add a little chicken livers to the mix. That's her dipping it in the cheese sauce, y'all. You can see it smoking, But the taste of this thing is so good. We started selling them and everybody just love them. They love them. They be calling me to see if we're going to have them on Saturdays. Yep. This is what it's all about, y'all. Country Soul Food and BBQ.
Actually, Brian, I didn't want to be the top of the spear for that one. Obviously, we're both
Jesus.
leaders. Obviously, we're both.
This is what we do, y'all.
That's country,
This is what
y'all.
we do.
Country soul food.
Watch her face when she bite into that thing.
I'm gonna break another one.
Watch her face when she bite into that thing. You know.
Can you give me a
The facial expression is
Oh, can
everything.
you take them both?
Watch this, y'all.
Let's see what happens, man. It's all gonna make ready.
Yep.
It's good.
She's loving it, y'all.
Okay.
She's loving it.
Okay.
Watch this. Look at that face, y'all. Yep.
We got them,
Doing it.
y'all.
Country Soul
We
Food
got
and
them.
BBQ.
Country soul food and BBQ.
Follow
We
us.
got them, y'all.
Subscribe.
That's them
hit that
Boudin balls.
notification bell
Them
so you
hot
can get a
Cheeto Boudin balls,
notification
y'all.
on all
That's
the
it.
videos that we upload.